The hypothesis is dogs 3 years of age and older are better at social eavesdropping than dogs 2 years of age and younger.
There was a selfish person and a generous person. We had a dog sitting watching the generous and selfish person. Then a beggar would come in and ask for food. Then, for 30 seconds, we would let go of the dog and see which person he would go to.
We ran into a problem with the experiment. The dogs didn't go to either one. They just ran around the room. Then we found a solution. We got little treats for the dogs. Each the selfish and the positive person gave it to the dog, and it actually worked.
Awesome. No. No. Have some. Have some. Go.
Okay, don't let me eat the food though. We'll just watch on the clock. Yeah. Now just stand there and just wait. Oh. So he went to the generous person.
No. No. That's selfish.
She's equal opportunity. I'm willing to give anyone a chance.
Who jumps on generous?
3 jumps on the generous.
And
Oh my God!
She got this fork.
One for the selfish.
No, stop.
Two for the selfish. Okay, we're done.
No. No.
And start our time. Who else has a different theory as to why maybe the older dogs would be better at this? Go ahead, Jenny.
Maybe because maybe they did it before, or maybe they understand what the generous person was doing, giving away her food or his food, and the selfish person wasn't. And then the 2 years or younger dogs were just running around. They didn't really care.
The dogs that are older, because I think they did that because the little dogs, they just wanted to run around and have fun and look at everyone. But the older dogs were more mature and they knew that this was serious.
I was thinking the younger dogs are probably not experienced, and the older dogs are probably trained more than the younger dogs were.
Okay.
It's important to have constants because you need to have everything the same but one thing, or you won't know the difference.
Most of them were owned by people, and the other ones were owned by the shelter. And it seemed like the shelter dogs seemed more like not paying attention than the owned ones. The owned ones were like, oh, perfect, I'm doing it.
But the owned ones were also older, so we really don't know whether it was because they were owned or whether it was because of their age, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we started doing the experiment, is that what you would have thought of as being science?
Yeah. Yeah.
No? Yes? Some of you? Would you be more interested in science if it was more experiments like this?
Yeah.
Yeah?